Today for this YouTube video, we're gonna be changing the gear on Mero's SSR. What is it, a 110? 125. So yeah. Alright, so now you're gonna want to take this cover off, which will show the front gear. This is what we're gonna be changing out today. So we gotta loosen the back wheel so the chain could be loose, and we can just take it off. So to move your front wheel forward, you gotta loosen these and turn them in, so you can have play to push the wheel forward, like so. So now the chain is really loose, and you can just take it off. And just like that, chain comes off, and we have the gear. So to take the gear off, you're gonna need a 10, and you just loosen them, little bolts. Take this out, and this washer, and the gear just slides right out. This is a, what is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I think I'm 14 too. So this is a comparison of the new gear. I was stupid. It says the tooth right here. 14, and this is a 16 too. Brand new. So same process how we took it off. Just oops, and boom. And compare the washer, the same. So same thing, get it on that groove, but also line it up with the bolt holes. So put the washer on. Washer has its own separate groove to line up the holes, and same thing, tying in them. It's gonna be hard to tighten them because the gear moves. So what you gotta do is put the chain on and hold the chain and tighten it. So got the gear on, wheel tighten. Out here in the rear bed, you also forgot to mention, got new plastics. Carbon fiber. Yeah, we outside today in the rear bed. So you have the long run on this. How was it today, bro?
Painful.